We love planting seeds and watching them grow. We don't have a garden, but we do have a pavement. Improvise, adapt and overcome. I have recently bought a house. My budget was tight, so I put a silly offer on a house out in the country. Unfortunately, it was accepted. I promised Theo a cat to ease the transition. He wanted a ginger one, not any other. There was a flipping hearse in the garage and what looked like a 7-foot white coffin carrier with a big silver cross on it. What the hell has I done? No one lives out there. We've been there for a month now and have met some fantastic people. Our neighbour always has a garden full of random families, and we know the life stories of 100 people just by sitting on our doorstep. Theo very excitedly adopted the friendliest ginger cat the weekend we moved in. Who knows what may be around the corner? Our seeds have been in for 3 weeks now, and we already have little green plants appearing. Life's amazing, isn't it?